See the Help section for usage instructions. Let us begin with the workout planner. You can maintain a list of exercise type like muscle building, endurance, cardio, hypertrophy, etc. here. For weekly workouts, let us expand Monday's section. You can put any instructions below the heading as mentioned. Here you can see all your exercises by type. Each exercise with photo, name, repetitions, sets, and weights as you need will appear here. You can add more, update, or delete them from Exercise Details table. This is where you will maintain your Monday's exercises. Add exercise name, upload photo, select type, reps, sets, weight, and extra notes if needed. After adding all these, exercise will appear in the visual gallery. Same goes for all days. Let me show you other days' exercise gallery and tables. Pretty easy to maintain your weekly workouts, isn't it? Get this workout planner along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.